Hello. So today we are going to see it unite. There is one region option is here. In what context we use this region option we see today. Okay. So for this we creating one boss here from top and we see. Let's see. Okay. For inside viewing purpose, we trim this body into two halves. Okay. Then okay. Then we using extrude. Clicking OK. Now remember, I not required this internal portion. I only require outer portion. So while uniting these two objects, we are using this defined region option. Okay. So now I'm selecting target as this body. In tool body I'm selecting this one, and a normal unite look like this. But when I check this defined region option and in select region I check this remove also. So I not required this one. So after I selecting this one, this will remove and upper portion it's keep as it is. Okay. So like this you use this kind of option. Okay. Thank you.